And here we are. So this is 790. It is the Woodland Lodges at Alton Towers Resort and Hotel. So on the porch bit, you've got a little bench there and a proper bench here. We've just left our luggage outside so I can do a room tour. It's absolutely beautiful inside. So it has the little door here and it opens outwards. It's so funky. So in we go. We've got a master bed here. With, oh, the picture on the top is actually the Enchanted Village. Can you find the mischievous fable folk? That's cool. Then it looks like they do have plug sockets by the bed. You can turn the little lamps on here. The main light is there over the thing. Then they've got 2 chairs and a little table. Got TV. There's also a little stool. Oh, they've got a radiator. That's good. So it'll be nice and warm. Then they've got, oh, we've got 3 different types of biscuits. Not that we even got this in the Alton Towers Hotel. Plenty of milk, tea, coffee, sugar, cups and things. Oh, there's different inventory here. Oh, so this is what's telling you is inside it. All the items will be left with us. The following items are checked daily and will be charged if you take them out of the room. Whilst if you take any of that from the room, that is the charge for it. There's a mirror here. I'm assuming that's the, oh, that's a nice little lamp there over the mirror. Then we've got more plug sockets here and a travel cot. We don't need a travel cot, but there is a travel cot there. Hanging space for your wardrobe. And there is a bin and a space there. So this is the main kind of area here. And then really cool, Matilda's room is through that curtain and the bathroom is here. But I think I'm going to do Matilda's room first because I just can't wait to show you. So look at this, there's a little fairy hole there and a little light there as if it's the fairies. So you actually open this curtain up and inside is Matilda's little area. This is just so fun. So it's a lovely kind of little patterned floor here. Then it says, shh, little folk sleeping. So it's like a kind of like a tree. She's got her own little curtain here and a little window where she can look out onto the garden. Or she can pull that across tonight when she goes to bed. There's little butterflies there. So you can see that's just straight back out to the middle bit where the door was, but she can pull that curtain across. She's got a fan, her own radiator, and then obviously she's got 2 beds. So she's got a bed up there, a bed there, and it actually looks like there's a 3rd bed. I think that pulls out and that must be a 3rd bed. This must be able to sleep 3 people. Then the light switch there turns on this light here. Then there is another one here, which turns on the little light down there as well. That's pretty funky. Can't believe it sleeps 3 people in there. Then that just kind of comes across and she can just have a little bit of a chill in there. Then this is the bathroom. So this is why we kind of booked this one over the stargazing pods, because we wanted a bathroom. So let me see if I can get the lights on in here. There we go. So that kind of comes on separately, or you've got the main lights as well. So it's really lovely. It's a very big bathroom. You've got toilet, sink, you've got a bath, beautiful radiator. There's a stack of towels. So we've got Enchanted Woodland conditioning shampoo. We've got bath gel and we've got soap. We've got extra toilet roll, 2 little glasses, a little bin. Quite a spacious, I mean, it's only a very tiny bath, but it's quite spacious. You've got a big, a nice shower head up there. It's like a jet shower. The tiles are lovely. This can come right out, that's nice. A lovely kind of mirror here with the light. And then I think that's going to do it. Oh, you've got plug sockets on this side. So both sides of the bed have got plug sockets. That's good. They've got a really old style phone. Oh, it looks like they've got a book as well. I'm not sure if you get to keep the book. I'll have to look on the inventory list, see if it's on the list. Or might be a book to read while you're here. The pillow is beautiful. But this is just so nice. It's just like your own kind of little private, especially in the summer as well, when you can sit out there and have all the sun. It'll just be beautiful. And that is it. So you can see this is all the little huts. So each hut has got 2 little rooms in it with a little playground. Very cool. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of our Enchanted Village room at Alton Towers Resort. It's bye for now and we'll see you soon.